Hello everyone, myself Mounika, working as a assistant professor at Marri Laxman Reddy Institute of Technology and Management in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about the topic Introduction to Software Engineering in the subject of Software Engineering. First of all, what is software? Software is a program or set of programs containing instructions that provide the desired functionality. Software is a program. Program is nothing but it is a collection of instructions. Software is a collection of executable codes that are associated with the libraries and documentations that are provide the desired functionality. Engineering. Engineering is the process of designing and building something that serves a purpose efficiently and cost effectively. Engineering means developing the products based upon the well-defined functions, principles, and procedures. Engineering is nothing but developing the products based upon the well-defined functions, principles, and procedures. We can develop the project. Software engineering. Software engineering is nothing but here we are developing the software projects based upon the well-defined principles, methods, functions, and procedures. Software engineering. Definition. The systematic, disciplined, quantifiable approach to the development, operation, and maintenance of software. That is the application of engineering to software. Systematic. Systematic is nothing but step-by-step process, means sequential process. It is the systematic process of designing, developing, testing, and maintaining the software using techniques like requirement analysis, design, testing, and maintenance. So when we are developing any software project, first we have to gather the requirements from the customer. So with the help of the requirements analysis tool, after gathering those requirements, we have to plan according to those requirements. After that, we can make the design. Design means here we are using the high level design and low level design techniques. We can make the design. After designing, development is nothing but coding. After coding, we have to do the testing. So in testing, we are having different types of testing strategies. Testing strategies are nothing but black box testing, white box testing, regression testing, system testing, and smoke testing. These are the different types of testing strategies we are applying while testing the projects. After testing, we can deploy the project to the customer. So after deploying the project to the customer, we are giving the maintenance for that particular project. So while they are using that particular product, they are if they are facing any issues, we can maintain. So that is software engineering. Software engineering is nothing but the systematic, disciplined, quantifiable approach to the development, operation, and maintenance of software. That is the application of engineering to software. Next one is characteristics of software. Mainly we are having three important characteristics of software. In that, first one is software is developed or engineered. Software is developed. So it was developed by the programmers or development team. So here we are using different types of phases like analysis, design, coding, testing, maintenance. Software is developed. It was developed by programmers through analysis, design, coding, testing, and maintenance. Software is developer or engineer. It was newly developed product or projects. It is not manufactured in the classical sense. Manufactured means we are not modifying anything. We are not changing anything, unlike the physical product such as cars, phones or televisions. It is not a physical product, it is a logical product. Software is not produced in factories. Second characteristic is software does not wear out. Software does not wear out is nothing but it is not having any expiry date, unlike the hardware. Software does not wear out because it has no physical part. It is having only logical parts. It does not become damaged due to regular use. So when we are using software regularly, it does not damage due to regular use. But the physical parts are damaged when we are using regularly. That's why we are having the software, we are calling software does not wear out. Hardware wears out over time due to physical use. When we are using the hardware, it becomes wears out, means it will be damaged. Example, a keyboard or a hard disk may stop working after years of use. Software does not physically wear out. It continues to work the same way unless there are bugs, updates or changes in user requirements. The software does not wear out. But hardware is wear out. So it requires only updates and maintenance to use the software properly. Third one is, although the industry is moving toward component based construction, most software continues to be custom built. So nowadays every software we can develop in custom built. Nothing but as per customer requirement only we are developing the project. These are the three important characteristics of software. Software is developed or engineered but not manufactured. So it will be developed by the programmers. Unlike the physical products such as cars, phones and televisions. So second one is software does not wear out. It is does not having any expiry date to develop to use this particular software. Always we can develop the software as per the customer requirement only. That is the third one. The next topic is the evaluating role of software. Software takes dual role. It is both product and a vehicle. Vehicle is nothing but process. Mainly the software plays a dual role. So first one is product, second one is vehicle. Vehicle are nothing but process for delivering the product. When the software as a product means the software that is developed for users to perform specific tasks. When the software as a product means it was developed for users to perform some specific tasks. It creates processes, manages, stores and display the information. Just it can provide the information about the product, it display the information about the product, it creates the product, it manages the products. These all things will be done by the when software as a product. Mainly the software products are two types. First one is generic software. Second one is custom software. Generic software. Software that is made for everyone. Anyone can buy and use it. It is not created for one particular person or company. Generic software. This is used by every person. So this is developed for everyone. So anyone can buy, anyone can purchase this software and they can use. It is not created for any one particular person or company. Example, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Google Chrome, VLC media player. Generic means general use. It can be used by many customers, many users. For example, Microsoft Word is used by students, teachers, offices and businesses around the world. So these are all things will be used by all the members in the world. So those type of products are comes under the generic software. Generic software is nothing but this software can be made for everyone. So this can buy and use it. Anyone can use it. It is created for only one particular person or one company or one organization. So next one is custom software. Custom software means the software that is developed only for one customer or one organization. So these are developed for only one customer or one organization or one company. So based on their specific needs. It is specially designed according to the customer requirements. So based upon the customer requirements, we can make the software. That type of software is called as custom software. Custom softwares are developed only for one customer or one organization or one company. Examples: inventory control and management system for a supermarket, hospital management system, college management system, banking software developed for specific bank. Custom means customized only for one customer. Custom softwares are developed for only one customer or one organization or one company. Example: a supermarket wants software to manage its products, billing and stocks. A software company develops it only for that supermarket. So these types of software comes under the custom software. As per the customer requirement, we can develop the software. So it was developed only for one customer. Software has a vehicle. Already we discussed the evaluating role of software. The software plays a dual roles. First one is product, second one is vehicle. Vehicle is nothing but it for delivering the product. Software is called a vehicle because it helps create, run, manage or deliver other software products. It supports developers instead of directly solving the user's problem. Vehicle or process, it is used to support the developers instead of directly solving the user problem. When the software as a product means it will be used for users to perform some specific tasks. When where the software as a vehicle means it supports the developers to solve the users' problems. So it is a vehicle for delivering the product. Examples: compilers, Visual Studio, Eclipse, Git. Compiler means it converts source code to machine code. Visual Studio helps programmers write and develop software. Used to create Java application. Git means manages and tracks software projects. Example: a compiler does not prepare documents or play videos. Instead, it helps programmers to create software. So we discussed already, the vehicle or product supports the developers instead of directly solving the user problems. So example: compilers. Compiler does not prepare the documents or play videos. So instead of it helps programmers to create a software. The compiler, it does not prepare the documents. So it is used to create the software. So therefore it is called software as a vehicle. When the software as a vehicle, it supports or directly provide system functions. And also it can control other programs. Example: OS, operating system. It can control the other programs, other softwares. With operating system is the heart of the computer. Without operating system, we can't do anything. It can affect the communication through network. Helps in building other softwares. Example: software tools. So software as a product means it is used by users to perform tasks. Software as a vehicle means used by developers to create and manage other softwares. The next topic is the changing nature of software. Nowadays, software is everywhere and anywhere. Without software, we can't do anything. It keeps changing from situation to situation, how it is changed. So here the 7 broad categories of computer software present, continuing challenging for software engineers. So here we are having 7 broad categories of changing nature of its software. Mainly we are having 7 types. First one is system software, application software, engineering and scientific software, embedded software, product line software, web applications, artificial intelligence software. System software. System software, it is a collection of programs. Program is nothing but set of instruction written to service the other programs. So system software is used to serve the other programs, other software. Examples: compilers, editors and assemblers. Operating system. Compilers we know already, so it is used to convert the source code to machine language. So next one is application software. It is designed to help the users to perform some specific task. Without system software, we can't develop the application software. These are mainly used to help the users to perform some tasks. Example: C, C++, Java, Microsoft Office. Engineering or scientific software. This software is used to facilitate the engineering function and task. However, modern applications within the engineering and scientific area are moving away from the conventional numerical algorithms. So mainly engineering and scientific softwares are used to solve the complicated numerical and scientific calculations. So it is in this we are using the CAD. CAD is nothing but computer aided design or calculus statistics. Mainly the CAD software is used to help an engineering drawing and testing. So engineering and scientific software is used to solve the numerical and scientific calculations. So for that reason we are using the engineering and scientific software. Example is CAD. CAD is nothing but computer aided design. Next software is embedded software. Embedded is nothing but combining or adding. So this software is used in products. Means embedded software is software that is built into a hardware device. So it will be built into a hardware device or nothing but it will be resides into the product. It is to control its operations. Means embedded software is software that is built into a hardware device to control its operations. It was built into the product to control its operations. It performs a specific task and usually cannot run independently like normal computer software. Why? Because it will be resides in the product. That is permanently installed inside a device to control its functions. It resides in ROM, means read-only memory. It is used to control the products and its functions. Examples: washing machine, microwave oven, digital camera, smart TV, printer, traffic signal controller. So in this product we can install the software that is embedded software. So a washing machine contains embedded software that controls washing, rising, spinning and timely automatically. So these are the hardware products. In these hardware products we can build the embedded software. Next one is product line software. It provides the specific capabilities for software engineering. Product line software is software developed for a specific industry or business area. The same software is used by many customers in that field with only small changes if needed. This software is used for in specific industry or business area. So it will be used by all the customers within the field with small changes. Examples: payroll management software, library management system, hospital management system, hotel management system, school or college management system. A hospital management system can be used by many hospitals. Each hospital may customize features like reports or billing but the main software remains the same. Artificial intelligence software. So here non-numeric algorithms to solve complex problems. So the complex problems and non-numerical algorithms can be solved by the artificial intelligence software. So in that include the ML, nothing but machine learning. It was developed to tell a computer how to respond to by giving some examples. Example, robotics, gaming, speech recognition, problem solving, learning and planning. This structure like a human brain. Web applications. It is used over a network. It is a client server computer system, so which the clients runs on the computer, that it will be described by the web application software. Web application software consists of various web pages that can be retrieved by a browser. These web pages can be developed by using Java, Perl and HTML. Example, websites. Next one is legacy software. Legacy software systems were developed decades years ago and have been continually modified to meet changes in business requirements and computing platforms. It was developed decades years ago. The legacy systems are older, large complex computer-based systems which may be using the outdated technology. This type of systems may include the older hardware, software, process and procedure. These softwares are old softwares. Example, air traffic control system, ATC. This may be used from a long period. It is a old software. It was developed decades years ago. It is an extensible design. We cannot extend the design here. It cannot be updated, so it has poor quality. It has no documentation. It cannot meet new technologies because it is a older software. It was developed decades years ago. It is an inextensible design. We cannot extend the design. It is having a poor quality. In this, we are not following any documentation. Thank you.